How to make text bigger on Snapchat. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you want the text to be bigger on Snapchat, here is how you can use the text editing options. So first and foremost, make sure you have updated the Snapchat application. In order to update, you just have to head over to Play Store or App Store and tap on the update button. Now that this is done, launch the Snapchat application and take a photo or video, or you could select one from your memories. Now that you have taken a photo or video, tap the T, which is a text icon on the right side of the screen. Once you have texted or typed it, enter the desired text in the text box. Now that you have done so, for regular text, tap the T icon again, which is on the top right corner. This way it will switch to larger and bold text. After tapping on the T, use the two fingers to pinch in and zoom on the text to resize it manually. Drag the text to reposition it on your snap. Additionally, you can change the font styles, colors, alignments by using the text toolbar. This is all present on the top or the bottom of the screen. After that is done, tap on send to share a snap or save it on your device. That's all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button.